What's up guys, this is Just Team. The airdrop task I'm introducing today is the ZOTH project. As everyone knows, Bera Chain is a highly anticipated project. ZOTH has officially received the repost of Bera Chain and has raised about $2.5 million. Moreover, you can receive the airdrop through testnet tasks alone, with the community allocation reaching 14%. Since you can aim for the airdrop through testnet tasks without spending any money, it's a task that you must do. If you follow along with what I'm showing in the video, even beginners can easily complete the task. All website addresses and necessary information are provided in the video description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or visit my channel.